Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the device and phone ready. Make sure the Vida V2 Plus is charged above 50% and running the latest firmware. This prevents pairing errors. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and allow both location and Bluetooth permissions for the Vida app, because Android and iOS require them to discover devices. Open the Vida app and sign in. Once logged in, the app can search and store the device pairing info automatically, which speeds future reconnections. Once done, bring the Vida within 1 to 2 meters of your phone and reduce interference by turning off nearby Bluetooth devices. In the Vida app, choose Add Device, select Vida V2 Plus and tap Scan. The app will probe for the device using BLE. When the Vida appears in the list, tap it to connect and confirm any PIN or pairing code the app or device displays, because matching codes prevents accidental pairing with other products. After confirmation, wait for the app to finalize to finish, allow the Vida app to run calibration and sync. You will see progress on screen and a confirmation when complete. If pairing fails, power cycle both the phone and Vida, wait 30 seconds, then retry the scan. This clears transient Bluetooth states that commonly cause failures. Make sure Bluetooth and location remain enabled so the app can reconnect automatically. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset network settings, but try restart first, because it resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.